Hey everybody, I hope you're all doing well and keeping cool. The temperatures are absolutely incredibly hot out everywhere, period. And so I have my little fans going, which is fine, but the electric is out now, period. The power is down and it's going to be late before it gets back on. Fortunately, I did have my EcoFlow fully charged. And when the air conditioner was out, I did get this larger fan. The little fans are great, but a larger one really was needed for that intense heat, period. So for the time being, this is going to help me be able to keep cooler. And I still have my little fans going, one here and one over here. I'm leaving one that's in the bedroom fully charged because that way I'll have it for bedtime. But if I need to charge these, this will be able to charge, the EcoFlow will be able to charge it. If the EcoFlow goes down, gets too low, well, the nice thing about this EcoFlow, I can take it out to my car and hook it up to the battery, turn the car on, do some driving around and things like that. It's a Honda, so in order for the cigarette lighter thing to work, the car does need to be running. But I was gonna do some other things for tonight, but right now, just trying to stay cool. Hope everybody's doing great. Take care.